Okay, in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to draw in perspective. If you draw a line across the screen here, and I think that's too thick, I'm going to draw a smaller line. There we go. And say that that is your horizon line, and this is where everything else vanishes to. Your traditional paper method is to draw a square, which for some reason for me tends to skip. I don't know why. And then you want to draw everything going from that particular vanishing point. In PROcreate, however, you can turn on your drawing guide, go to perspective, and put a little dot right there in the middle. You've got a horizon line, and you've got your perspective lines. And if we turn on the drawing assist, we can draw a box. And we'll just connect these up here and use the drawing assist to provide you with those lines. The perspective drawing allows you to draw left and right, up and down, and towards the vanishing point, which is a wonderful way of doing things. Makes life a lot easier. If you want to do a 2-point perspective, then we go to the Edit Drawing Guide. I'm going to move this over slightly, and we're going to put one there. Try to make that look horizontally. I'm going to change my lines to black. And then we draw our box. And then we use our horizon lines and our guidelines to draw that in 2-point perspective. Um, Basically, if you're drawing like a building and you want this building to point this direction, you aim towards this horizon line. And then you want the next building to point towards this horizon line. It gets very foreshortened on the top the higher up on the page you get. And that gives you 2-point perspective. This one points towards this horizon line. This one points towards this horizon line. It's a good way to draw cityscapes. And technical drawings and whatnot. Usually in a cityscape, if you're going to do a corner, you want your audience to see it from below. And everything marches to the vanishing point on the side that you are looking. We'll put in a little sidewalk here. And we'll put in a street. Let's go to there. That looks more even. Everything marches towards your two vanishing points. 3-point perspective would add basically an up or a down. Since I am not very good in drawing 3-point perspective, I'm not going to actually do anything significant. We should still be able to draw left, right, up, down. Apparently not. Okay, so that's how that works. I'm using the snapping to get my lines to go left, right, up, and down. All right, and let's do the front of the building as seen from one of the upper floors. And this is what happens when I don't build on what I've got. And that just pointed out a flaw right there. There we go. Drawing something for your reference is always a good idea if you want to make sure that you understand what it is that you're drawing. Don't want to actually cross those lines. So here is your same city view as seen from a bird's eye. You can make some very interesting drawings this way. This is used quite often for animation. And actually, for my first try, I don't think I did too bad. Anyway, that is your perspective guide. You can do 1, 2, and 3-point perspective. I do not believe you can do 4-point. You cannot. Tap, 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 nothing. You can change your perspective lines. You can move them around like this. You can delete it and put it there. Just by tapping on each one of these dots, you can tell it to select it or delete it. So I hope this helped you with the perspective guide and different ways of using it. And I hope you have a wonderful day.